Hey everyone, how's it going? So I got this request for a long time and I'm finally going to draw it, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to draw the Alex Mobs elephant from Minecraft. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Alex Mobs elephant, let's begin right here at the head. So I'm going to start by making kind of a V shape. I'm going to go down, and then I'm just going to come up. Then I'm going to kind of make that same shape but the opposite. I'm going to go up, and then I'm going to come down, kind of like a little diamond. Let's bring this line down, and we'll bring this line down just a little bit. Let's bring this line down. Then right here, we're going to make a little line that comes out. We're going to go down. We're going to come up and then back in. That's going to be the top of the trunk. We're going to make this line come down and this line come down. And this line come down and then just connect. And connect to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come over. We're going to go down. We're going to come over and connect. We'll make a little line here. We're going to go down and over and connect. I want to make two diagonal lines that come out and a line here. Two lines down and one over here. Connect this line here, and then let's go all the way over to here. And that'll be one of the tusks of our elephant. Next, I'm going to make a little line here. And then I'm going to make a diagonal line here and a diagonal line here. Next, right here, we're going to make a line that comes down, over, and up. Then we're going to go down and up. One and two lines here that connect. And a line that comes out here and then comes back. Then we're going to go down and connect to here. I'm going to make a line here, diagonal line here, and a line here. And then we're going to connect. Down, over, and then up here. And we're going to make a line down and connect. Then we'll connect this line here for the face. And then over here, we're going to make a little line. It's going to go up, over, and down down here for the other ear. For the eye, let's just make a little rectangle shape. We'll make a little line in the middle and then just color it in. Now for the leg, I'm going to draw 1, 2, and then 3 lines. You can see that middle one's a little bit longer. Let's connect here and then connect here. Now right here, let's make a diagonal line that's going to come down. And then we'll go down here. Let's bring this out and out. Then we can connect it right here. Next, let's bring this up, and then we'll bring this down. We're going to go 1, 2, and 3 lines. And then we'll connect them with that V. Then over here, we're going to go 1, and we're going to connect here and connect here. Then we'll make a little line here. Now for the toes, we're just going to make a little line with 3 little lines there, or 2 little lines. We're going to make a line here and down. Make a line down and then 2 here. And there you go. There is your drawing of an Alex Mob elephant. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.